OEDRO LED bulbs. They contacted me and they told me they had a new product come out and told me if I wanted to try them out. So here they are. They look pretty small. I like how it has 4 LEDs. They look to be cob LEDs. No, they're single. Can't really tell. They're single. They're tiny LEDs. Anyways, fan, everything. So they look pretty cool. Why is my camera acting up? Oh my god. Anyways, so these are H11s, and we are going to be installing this ones on this 15 Ford Focus on the low beams and the fog lights. So luckily this car is real simple to open up and all that. So a little about the lights. Oh my god, this camera. If it will focus, which is giving me a problem. 6,000K. And I believe they're like 35, 40 watts. Can't remember. 2-year warranty. It doesn't say how many watts, but I'll check on their Amazon page and see how many watts they are. So they sent me one of these and I purchased the other one for the fog lights, so I'm gonna be doing that. So yeah, I'm gonna pop the hood on this little car and we will be able to see. Alright, so once you get the hood open, the lights are just held by 2 screws. I think they're T30s. So one there, one on top, and the whole light comes off. After that, there's going to be a dust cover on this. So we'll do that first. So before we even touch them, let me show you guys the halogen bulbs. I'm not even going to lie, this little car puts out enough light for me to see in front of me compared to my truck. I don't know why. Maybe it's a reflective housing and LEDs inside the projector don't really shine that well. Maybe I need to go back to HIDs, especially with all the issues. So let me remove that light and then we'll put that bulb in it. Alright guys, so once you got the light off, the low beam is the little cover, the big dust cover on the further out on the light. So I'm going to remove that one. You guys can see the bulb there. All you want to do is just twist counterclockwise and it comes off. It's coming off. That connection, there it goes. So it's off. Remove the bulb. I don't think the LED bulb is going to fit in there with the housing. I mean with the dust cover, so we're going to try that out. Like I said guys, the LED bulb does not fit with the cover on. It's too far out. This cabling doesn't really want to push in. And this is keep in mind, this is a small LED bulb. So, and I also did not use error cancelers for LEDs. I'm gonna check that. If they stay on, then I'm not gonna use them. I do have some. If it doesn't stay on, then I will use them. So let me just show you guys. I'm gonna put this one back, and then I'm gonna put the other one is regular halogen still. So I'm gonna use that just to compare both right now. Alright guys, check it out. We got some white light coming out of that one compared to this yellow one. As you can see that difference, and it does seem to be a lot brighter. So I'm gonna swap this one out and then I'll do the fog lights. I know for the fog lights, then we have to remove this trim piece and then you're able to access the fog light itself. So I'm gonna there it goes. And then I think fog light's been held by two screws, looks to be like T25, and then you're able to remove the housing to change the bulb. So I'm gonna do that now. Alright guys, so it has three T25s, right side, bottom, left side, and it just disconnects. Exact same bulb, twist to turn, put the new LED bulb in it. Alright guys, so check that out. That's the low beams, high beams, low beams, high beams. And then let me turn on the fog lights and you guys are gonna see how they flood the front of the house. Those are the fog lights. You guys can see how much more light that puts out. It's amazing. So I'm gonna go try to find a back road so I can show you guys what it looks like in a place that's completely dark. Alright guys, so check this out. Maybe you can't see it that well on camera, but these things are so nice. I want to say you can compare this, you can really compare this to an HID kit on a reflective housing. Definitely doesn't compare to a projector housing, at least from my truck. It doesn't shine as good as this. So that's with the low beams and the fog lights. Let's see if you can tell the difference with the fog lights off. That's with the fog lights off. High beams, low beams, fog lights on. You guys can see that it just puts out so much light to the outside. That's really cool. So what a fog light is supposed to do. And let me turn out those lights and we'll put the fog lights only. You guys can see that. I think it looks pretty cool. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll post the link on the description for this OEDRO LED lights, their new style. I think it's pretty cool with the four LED bulbs, or LED bulbs on all four sides. So I'll post the link in the description and see you guys on the next one.